my name is Claudia. I think I've coped quite well since the pandemic started. It was harder for me last year than this year. I seem to lose my ability to concentrate and motivation quite fast, so that has been the main point why it may be difficult sometimes. Right now I'm learning online, but we'll find out shortly if we can go back to normal or continue distance learning. The last time I saw my teachers and classmates was in February this year. Since then, I have not seen them. I've only seen some of my friends, but not as many times as I would love to. I personally think the best part of not being in school is that I don't have to wear formal clothes and usually can do everything that time I prefer. Also, I can wake up later than usual. The bad part is that when it gets quite hard, I can't reach my teacher that fast as I can do in school, and it causes more stress. The thing I would like to say is that don't lose your motivation and study for yourself, not others.